Kettumäentie 12. Puistonmäki, Hämeenlinna, staircase B. This is the only staircase with an elevator here. D92 B1 1147. Fourth floor. Four floors of 325 kilograms. Ground floor. Inspected by Kettumäentie, maintained by Otis or nowadays practice. I found this several years ago, but now I finally had time to film it. That's